Hey guys, I am back, and then as promised, I am gonna be unboxing my Chanel, what is this? The new Chanel card case ba yun yung tawag? So this is the new version of it. This is series 29 already. But first, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sacred. I do beauty vlogs, haul, and travel vlogs. So this is the continuation of our haul, but I will do the unboxing of my Chanel because a lot of you wanted to see unboxings and how I bought this. So yeah, if you want to buy in Seoul duty-free, you have to pick this up in the airport already because that's their rule there. So I got this in the airport at gate 121, and I haven't opened this one. So this is the receipt. Okay, so I wanted to buy one because I wanted like a compact wallet. So yeah.
And guys, all the hauls that we did today, like we're wearing the same outfit because we want not the video to get so long, so I hope you guys get that.
So this is the receipt. I got it in a good price, actually really good price, so that's why I really bought it. And then yeah, this is the box. Oh, I really like this. I wanted to buy this nung sa Japan pa, but I haven't went to any Chanel shop there, so that's why doon na lang sa Seoul. And then I got this in a good price, so yeah, I'm very happy. But first, before I unbox this, please subscribe to my channel and please support us. Okay, so I'll do the unboxing. This is the Chanel SLG. This is the new version of the Chanel Envelop card case. So I'm gonna be unboxing it.
Okay, so the ribbon is so cute, so luxurious, and I'm gonna be planning to make this like a headband. Really? Yeah, because people do that. Okay, and then this is the box.
This is the Chanel box, and then when you open it, oops. So this is the card that comes with it. Flower ba? There's a camellia flower over there. Okay. And then this one has the camellia also. The caviar classic card holder with gold hardware. Okay. And then receipt. So you have to keep it. Comes with a box with a tag, and we will be opening it. Okay, and it also comes with the cards. So the care cards of Chanel, the card and all. So care cards, and we will be opening it. So I love watching unboxings so that I will know yung mga inclusions and stuff. Oh, so pretty, babe. So this is with the gold hardware.
What is the difference between the Gucci and Chanel wallet?
So Chanel is more like, okay, so it comes with this para siyang protector. Okay, this one, and then you remove this. Okay, you remove the protector. And then it has like the card protector also, empty, and the series is there here, this part, and the authentication card is wrapped. So it's series 29, so I'm just gonna do that because they do that. Okay, this is the card, series 29, and this, and yeah, it just says a Chanel, and I'm so lucky because it's made in France. Yay!
Why?
Actually, it's the same, made in France and made in Italy, but mas rare daw yung made in France. So I'm very lucky to have this one. So it has like the maroon interior, and then there's another card for here, and I could put like cash in there. And the new Chanel has this, parang may ano talaga to, may Mona Lisa something, but this one is just like that lang, para you can insert another card. So yeah, this is really, really pretty, guys. This is in gold hardware. And it's pretty compact. So you can actually put a lot of cards and some cash. And I'm planning to use this if I use like compact bags. It smells good. Yeah, so yeah, this is the purchase, my favorite purchase there in South Korea, because this is my Chanel. Oops. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will be making more videos. So yeah, thank you so much guys.